Wellman, back with Wellman Wellness Training. We've got an exercise here to help associate better toe extension when I'm in the sense or in the shape of a running pattern relative to our hip position. In order to achieve this, we need some type of a wall structure. More importantly, something to rest my hand on or my arm on. In this case, I'm going to use a roller. When I get into set position, I will push my weight emphasis into the set roller closest to the wall. The roller is going to be slightly above the hip joint because the hip joint is going to be the one moving. I want to get as high as I can into a calf raise on the toe position here to keep that composure, keep that extension. What this will do is not only activate the toe pieces or the big toe, but more importantly, the internal chain of the said leg. From the said position, I will drop my hip and let it deviate, trying to pin this roller as best as I can. And as I come up, I'm going to try to hike my hip up and create full extension. So again, I'm trying to let my hip drop and deviate. As my hip deviates, I'm going to start to elevate my hip and drive through. Try to keep the roller relatively straight. If it's moving, it's not a big deal. The whole feature of this, or the whole point of this, is to get that association of the hip deviating and dropping, getting that offset asymmetry. And as I push off that set hip, I'm using the emphasis of my big toe and my musculature around my obliques and my core to create that hip hike. Again, a great exercise to help when I'm getting that first initial step and I have to explode off of that set step and move into my next stride, and this can translate into real physical activity.